Alright, y'all, so this is the 12th day. It was 12 it was 12 treatments of this, the 3D vivid white strips. I don't have any before and after, but they still look kind of dingy. I don't know. I don't know. I really didn't do much for my teeth, so I don't know if it was a good spin. Maybe I should try to get the thing that you put in your mouth. That's the what do you call it? Some type of light for your teeth to get them lighter. But it didn't really do much. It still looked dingy to me. And I brushed my teeth. So I don't know. I don't have a dirty mouth. My teeth just still look kind of dingy. Yeah. I keep trying different things to see what else could possibly make them whiter like I like them. I want them to be like, you see how that part got white? I wanted all of it to be like that. But there's only one little part, so I keep trying different things. But yeah, so that's the result, y'all. Bye.